everyone. So today's topic is the graphical method in the game theory. Okay, so in the graphical method we have the order of the matrix is 2 by n matrix or n by 2 matrix. That means here 2 rows are more than 2 columns. Okay, and here the more than 2 rows or 2 columns. But 2 by 2 matrix, this is not applicable in the graphical method. Okay, so always if we are given in the 2 by n matrix, and that means 3 4 5 6 7 etc., and here m is equal to 3 4 5 6. Okay, so always keep in mind 2 by n matrix or n by 2 matrix, then we use the graphical method. Okay, so with this method is actually this method is very confusing, but here the solution is very simple. Okay, so just to follow this method, so here the consider the payoff matrix of player A is shown below. Okay, and solve it using graphical method. So here the player A, the total strategies 1, A1, A2, and according to this the player B has the 5 strategies B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So first step is what? Here that is the 2 rows. Okay, that means the order of this matrix is what? 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 columns. So here 2 rows and 5 columns. So this is applicable according to rule of the graphical method. Okay. So first step is what? First step is here in this elements in this matrix, elements of this matrix, you choose the lowest value and the maximum value and the minimum value. So in this matrix, the maximum value is 7, okay, and the lowest value is -2. So first we draw the graph. So we draw here 2 lines, and the maximum value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because of according to our question, the maximum value is +7 and minimum value is -2. Okay. So here we draw the +7 and here we write the -2. Okay. So here in the both the sides this is our A1 and this is our A2. This is very simple trick for finding the graphical method. Okay. So here -1 and -2, -1 and -2. Okay. After that, first we draw the values of for B1. A1 3 and A2 -1. So A1 3, that means this is the A1 column. So A1 3 and A2 -1. So this is our A2 -1. Okay, and join these two lines. So we join these two lines, and here you write the B1. Got it? First, what is the first step? First step is you see here the A1 3 and A2 -1 for B1. For B where B1 strategy. So here 3 and here -1. We draw here line. Second one for B2. A1 0 and A2 5. So this is the A1 row. So this is A1 0 and A2 5. So this is the 5. Okay, so we join these 2 points. So these 2 points join here. We join this type. Okay, and this row here we write the B2. Got it? Very easy method is for graphical. For B3. So B3 A1 6 and A2 -2. So A1 6 and A2 -2. So we draw here. So A1 6 and A2 -2. That means this line is in this form. Okay. So this is the B3. Here we write the B3 and here we write the B3 value. Okay. Next one is the B4. So B4 minus A1 -1 and A2 2. So A1 -1 and A2 2. So this is the second value. Okay. So we draw this line. Okay. And this is the B4 value. Okay. So we write here B4. Got it? And the next is B5 in the A1 7 and A2 1. So A1 7, that means this term, and A2 1, that means this term. Okay, so we join these two values and we join here, and this is the B5. Okay, so what we do here, for according to A1 and A2, for B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, we draw here all the points and join the according to A1 and A2. A1 3, A1, A2 minus 1. So we write here A1 3, A2 minus 1, join the line and write here the B1. So one by one we write here B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So first we map the graph. Okay, after that there is one point is very important. You choose here the lowest region. Okay, choose here the lowest region, and according to this lowest region you find the intersection point. Okay, so here the lowest region is what? Lowest region is this. Got it? This is the lowest region according to this graph. Okay, this is the lowest region. Okay, so first you find the lowest region. After that you find the intersection point where two lines are intersect each other. So here the one point and here the second point. These 2 points in the lowest region for intersection point where B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 intersect each other, but only 2 lines. Okay, so here these 2 points are intersect points. So these 2 points is what? B1, B1 and B4. Here this is the B1, okay, and this is the B4. Got it? Here B1 and B4. These 2 points are intersect point. And here next one is the B1 and B3 point. Okay, so first we choose the lowest region. So in the lowest region we consider the maximum. We consider the maximum, or we can say that the highest intersection point, because of here two intersection points are here. This is the B4 and B1. B4 and B1 point, and this is the B1 and B3 point. Because these two intersection point, this point is the highest point. Okay, so we consider this point. Okay, we consider this point, that is the highest point. So highest point is what? B1 and B4. So we map the 2 by 2 order matrix. That means we write here A1, A2 and B1, B4. Okay, why we write here B1 and B4? So see here again, 2 points are intersection point. First you choose the lowest region. Okay, after that you choose 2 intersection point, and this intersection point you consider the highest number. So highest intersection point is this point. So this point is depends on the B1 and B4. So we write here B1 and B4. So according to this question, we write here the value B1 is equal to 3 and minus 1, and B4 is equal to minus 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the method of the graphical method. This method is very easy and very short method, because according to this graph we map very easily 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so here after that you have already seen in this type of questions in our previous lecture according to our game theory. So here we find the saddle point. Okay, if this question is in the saddle point form, so we find immediately value of m. Otherwise we find the odd max method. Okay, so first we find here the row minimum. Okay, and here column maximum value. Okay, so here row minimum minus 1, and here row minimum minus 1. Got it? Here column maximum 3, and here column maximum 2. Got it? So here the maxi-mean value. First we find here the maxi-mean value. So maxi-mean value is equal to minus 1. Okay, and mini-max value, because of in the column maximum we find the mini-max value. So mini-max value is 3. So these both values are not equal. That means there is no saddle point according to our question. Okay. So we use the oddments method. Okay. So oddments method, that means here we find the probability. Okay. So here we write the 2 by 2 matrix. We have already seen according to our graph. So A1, A2, 3, minus 1 for B1 and B4 and minus 1 and 2. And we have already seen there is maxi is not equal to mini max because of maxi is minus 1 and mini max is equal to 2. Okay. So this is the not equal to value. So we use the oddments method. So oddments method is what? Oddments method is here we write the second row. So second row minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, but we ignore the minus sign, so we write here plus 3. Or you see here the 2 minus minus 1, that means plus 3. Okay, and here this value according to this row. So 3 minus minus 1, that means 4. Okay, here these values according to this first column we use the second column. So 2 minus minus 1, that means plus 3, or you consider the minus 1 minus 2. So this is the minus 3, so you write here plus 3 because of minus sign we ignore for the oddments method, and here 3 minus minus 1, so we write here 4. Okay, after that we find the probability. So probability is what? Here 3 divided by 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Next one is the 4 divided by 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, we have already seen in our previous lecture. Here 3, the probability is 3 divided by 3 plus 4, 7. And here the probability is 4 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, so after that we find the oddments. Okay, so first we find the S oddments. So using S oddments, so for we consider use the B, and if we find the B's oddments, so we use the player A strategy 7 and 8. Got it? So here for finding the B1 that is this. So we write here 3 into 3 by 7 plus minus 1 into 4 by 7. Okay, that is 9 by 7 minus 4 by 7. So we get the 5 by 7. Okay, second one is we find the B4. Okay, so B4 that means minus 1 into 3 by 7, minus 1 into 3 by 7 plus 2 into 4 by 7. So 2 into 4 by 7, that means here minus 3 plus 4 2 ja 8. So 8 minus 3, that means 5 by 7. So here we find using as oddments for with the help of B1 and B4. So next step is what? Next step is using these oddments. So we use the A1 and A2. So for A1, okay. So for A1, so this value is 7. Okay. So 3 into 3 by 7, 3 into 3 by 7 plus minus 1 into 4 by 7. So minus 1 into 4 by 7. So here 3 3 are 9 minus 4. That means 5 by 7. Okay, and for A2, okay, because of here A2 is remaining. So for A2, minus 1 into 3 by 7. So we write here minus 1 into 3 by 7 plus 2 into 4 by 7. So 2 into 4 by 7. That means here minus 3 plus 4 2 ja 8. That means 5 by 7. Okay, so see here all these values are 5 by 7. That means your solution is correct. Okay, so here the value of gem is equal to what? If in case any one value is different from other three values, so there is some calculation mistake in your answer. Okay, in your calculation. So here all these four values are same. That means 5 by 7. So value of gem is equal to what? That means V. That means value of game is equal to 5 by 7, and this is our final answer. Okay, So according to graphical method, first you find this rows and column matrix. According to you draw the graph, and the condition of graph is what? You consider, you choose here the maximum value and the minimum value. Okay, and you write here two lines because of A1 and A2. In case your column is 2 and rows is more than 2. So you write here B1, B2 and you match here the values of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 as wished according to your question. So according to graphical method, the one condition is that the one, that means either row is 2 or the column number of column is 2. Okay, that means 2 by AND matrix or AND by 2 matrix, then we apply the graphical method. That means we convert into the 2 by 2 matrix. After that, if your question depends on the pure strategy, that means we get the saddle point. So your value of m is equal to your saddle point. Saddle point, that means the maximum mean value is equal to minimax value. So this value is your value of m and this is your final answer. But in case your question maximum mean value is not equal to minimax value, then we use the method of oddments. Okay, so this is the final answer with the help of graphical method for value of gap is equal to 5 by 7. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.